What's going on, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile ByThirteen. Today I've got a 2019 charger in the shop. This is the Colorwerkz Underglow kit. So as you can see, they are individually adjustable RGB LEDs. A customer came from Lighting Trendz, actually lives in Miami and drove all the way up for me to do this install, so I'm very honored by that. Lighting Trendz recommended me. Also, very excellent product distributor, and so these are installed very well hidden, so if you get up underneath it, you still don't see the LEDs, and that's the whole point. That's one of my biggest pet peeves when I see these Underglow kits. So these have 200 different modes, all controlled via Bluetooth. It's this little app right here. As you can see right now, I'm just on mode 1, but I can change that, and I can select any mode that I want. Like I said, there's 200, so most people, you'll just put it on auto, and then it'll change modes every 10 seconds or so. That's pretty much it. All they gotta say, this is the same Flow Series product equipment that is in the halos in my headlight build, and I've done a couple other installs utilizing this equipment. Real fun stuff. I like it a lot. Pricing and product information is going to be in the video description. If you have any questions or requests, feel free to shoot me an email, 13@bythirteen.com. That's all I got to say for this for now. Oh, you know what's really cool about this kit? If you hit the brake pedal, everything goes red. So that is a fun feature. As long as it's installed, which I did, and it's pretty cool. Okay, I'll talk to you later. See ya.